Good morning students. In the previous class we were discussing the lesson number 5, that is the human body, and in this lesson we have discussed about the sense organs. And what are the sense organs? Those are these eyes, nose, tongue, ears and skin. These all are the sense organs that we use for the different kinds of functions. Okay. So eyes helps us to see the things, ears helps us to listen the various things, our tongue helps us to speak as well as to taste the different kinds of birds, and next our skin helps us to feel the things, our eyes helps us to see the things, is it? And our nose helps us to smell and as well as it helps us to breathe. Okay. So next, today we are going to discuss about organ system. Okay. And in a human body, the organ system, in our human body there are different kinds of organ systems. Okay, and all organ systems together form an organism, is it, or living things. Okay, and the different organ systems in human body are explained below. Some of the organ systems are there. For example, digestive system is there, skeletal system, respiratory system, circulatory system, muscular system. Many organ systems are there. So let's study all of these organ systems one by one. Okay. So the organ system. Okay. So in this organ system, first we are going to study about the digestive system. What is that? Digestive system. Digestive system. So where does food go after we swallow it? What is the meaning of digestive system? Digestive system is nothing but the eaten food. Okay, so we eat food in our daily life. Where it will go? It will go in the stomach and it will digest there. It will digest there in the different kinds of organs. That is called the digestive system. So first one, where does food go after we swallow it? Do you know where does the food go after we swallow it? Now tindiruvanta food ell hogutta. Okay, so how do we get energy from food? So we all of us know that we get energy from the food. How do we get energy from the food? How? So digestive system is the complex organ system. It is a complex organ system. It is a complex organ system. Why do we call it complex organ system? Because it converts the food into energy. It converts the eaten food into energy. That's because we call it as a complex organ system, and which helps us to take in food and make it ready for use by the body. First of all, you know that we eat our food by using our mouth, and we chew that food. We chew the eaten food by using our teeth. Okay, and where it will go? We will swallow it. Okay, and after swallowing the food, where it will go? Where that food will go and how it will digest, how our digestive system convert the eaten food into energy. See, it helps us to take in food and make it ready for us used by the body. We take in food through our mouth and chew it with the help of teeth. Yes, we eat our food by using our mouth and chew it by using what? By using teeth. Okay, and the chew food mixed with the saliva. Yes, that chewed food is mixed with saliva in the mouth. What is the saliva? Saliva is the water consistency which is present in our mouth in the form of liquid. Okay, that is called, and that eaten food that chewed food will mixed with the saliva in our mouth and become soft. How it will become? It will become very soft when the food mixes with the saliva, and then it reaches the stomach. Then it reaches the stomach. Yes, after swallowing the food, where it will reach? It will reach the stomach. In stomach, the chewed food gets mixed with the digestive juices. Yes, in our stomach there are digestive juices are there. What are there? Digestive juices are there in our mouth. Sorry, in our stomach, the digestive juices are there. The food will mixed with the digestive juices and change into soluble form. It will change into soluble form. Soluble form again change agutta. Okay, and this soluble food finally goes into the small intestine. This soluble form, see, this soluble food, where it will go, the soluble food will go into the small intestine. In the small intestine. It will go into the small intestine where it is absorbed by the blood. It is absorbed by what? Absorbed by the blood. Okay. And next, the undigested food goes to the large intestine. Some of the undigested food also will be there in our stomach. Okay. And where it will go? That undigested food will go into the large intestine. Into the large intestine. Undigested food will go the large intestine. From where it is passed out of the body as waste to the anus. So undigested food the large intestine. The large intestine in the waste. Yes, sir. Some of the waste food will be there that will go and pass through the anus. Anus through waste the food, anus through horgade. Okay. This is the digestive system. I will explain here. See. First one is the digestive system is a complex organ system because it digests the eaten food. So that's because we call this digestive system is called as a complex organ system. Okay, so how it takes place in our body? Firstly, we eat food through our mouth. Okay, is it? Yes, we eat our food through our mouth. Okay, and that food will get chewed. Yes, that food will get chewed by using our teeth. After chewing the food, this will mix. The food will mix with the saliva which is present in our mouth in the form of liquid. Okay, and that food will be get soft. That food will be get soft by mixing with the saliva. Okay, after that we swallow the food, and the swallowed food will go into the digestive into our mouth, into our stomach, where it will get mixed with the digestive juices which are there present in our stomach, and then this digestive, that food will get mixed with the digestive juices. It will form into a soluble form. It will become soluble form, and that soluble food will go to the small intestine to get more digest. Okay, and in the small intestine, that food will get absorbed into the blood. Okay, and that some of the undigested food will be there in our stomach. That undigested food will go to the large intestine, and finally that undigested food will go outside of our stomach or pass through the anus. Okay, so this is about digestive system. You can see this picture here. Firstly, we will eat our food through the mouth, and it will it will chewed by using our teeth, and then that mouth will go and pass through the food pipe which is there. This food pipe takes place in our neck. Okay, and then it will go to the stomach to get more digest. It is called large intestine. This is the small intestine. Okay, what is the function of small intestine? The function of the small intestine is nothing but to digest the food, to grind the food. And what is the large intestine function? The function of the large intestine is to get the digest the food, the undigested food. Okay, it what it will what yes, large intestine is nothing but it green the undigested food, and the finally what happened, the food which is not digested it passed out of the body through the anus. Okay, so this is about that digestive system. In tomorrow's class we will study about the circulatory system and respiratory system. Okay, so this is enough for today. Read this lesson for one time. In tomorrow's class we will study about the remaining things.